And charging life.
Charging life. Made so much tire smoke. What's up guys? So I'm here at Buttonwillow again with this Evasive Motorsports Tesla Model 3. We're gonna be testing the car again. We got little new mods. So this time we got the multi-computer. And Kel, maybe you can just explain what we have real quick compared to the last one.
Yeah.
Thank you, Joe.
So we got a Motec dash and the party controllers from Mountain Pass Performance. We want to get a lot of data on this car. It's pretty new to us. And there's a lot of stuff that Tesla is doing behind the big fancy screen that's on there that we need to know about before we can start going fast.
Right on. So that's what we got. So we got some tasks to go through today, and hopefully this car will go a little bit quicker than last time. We got 85% of the juice right now. So about to go soon, hopefully.
Sure.
Right on. So it looks like it's got charged pretty good. So I'm gonna take it out for the first time. I don't know how many laps I can do. Maybe 1 or 2 laps at the most. I think he knows what he's doing.
Maybe.
Had one session out with the new Motec system, and it went good. It allows me to control a lot more. We just need to fine-tune a lot more other stuff. It's got a lot of different setup to do it, so we're going in a good direction. Right, second try. Oh. Shit to figure out. Changed little setup this time, and I think it went a lot quicker, a lot more freedom, less devices kicking in. Most likely it was nothing. It's hard to tell, but still playing with it. this time, not enough juice, so he's gonna go back to supercharger to get more power. And we're gonna try one more time and see how it goes. What's up?
Oh God, died.
I'm here to drive together.
Bad situation.
What
Bad
happened?
situation. Come check this out.
Okay.
Nothing. I don't know what happened. Nothing works, but gotta check engine light. I was like, oh, okay, so we come back here and check. Completely melted this harness. Look at this.
OMG.
Yeah.
You're just driving too hard, man.
I guess so. And so I went to go clear the code, you know, and now none of the electronics work.
Okay, that's kind of sketchy.
Not a good situation here, Di. So we're trying to figure that out.
Are you still trying to drive though?
I can't drive this.
You can't, right?
No, I can't drive this.
Right.
But I'll drive with you. You want to take me for a ride?
Yeah, I guess.
What do you want to drive?
No, I was gonna take the Supra out and just, you know, lead you, and then yeah, I thought you were gonna drive this.
Dude. Of course. Of course.
Well, next time with this car, but yeah, we'll find some car and then let's
Yeah,
do something.
yes, absolutely. Come get me.
Man, I got the chance to drive this beautiful car. Thanks to Andy.
Yeah, no problem, dude. All good.
What if I went off the track?
It's okay.
Alright, I'm signing in right now.
Right? Laguna, we might have an issue.
Cool, I'm in. See you guys. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Woohoo!
54.
54.5, right?
Yeah. Oh, how'd you know?
I timed you. New street tire wrecker Tesla.
Is that really a record, though?
Yeah?
Because the lap wasn't too good, to be honest.
Oh wow, so
I
there,
hit
you're
the
saying
brake
there's more
one
time.
time.
He's saying there's more time.
Yeah.
Well, if we had new tires, it will help too.
For sure. This new side doesn't help. But
Yeah,
still,
yeah.
still pretty good.
Sick. Good stuff, man.
So we are back at the supercharger again. Had a great day today. We had a really good progress. And I got to drive a lot of cool other cars. Yeah, so had a good time. Just we need to wait a little bit to charge the car to go home. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe and like my video if you like. We'll see you on the next video. じゃあねー。